Let me ask you something. Have you ever tried to build a new habit and failed within a week? Maybe you wanted to meditate every morning, or drink more water, or finally clean that one corner of your room. And then life happened. Your brain said nope, and you felt guilty again. Here's the truth nobody tells you. If you have ADHD, anxiety, or just a normal human brain that gets tired, traditional habit advice is actually designed to fail you. But today, I'm going to show you a science-backed method called habit stacking. It works when your motivation is zero, and it takes less than 60 seconds to start. Let's dive in. Habit stacking isn't just a productivity hack. It's pure psychology. The idea was popularized by Stanford researcher Dr. B.J. Fogg, who wrote the book Tiny Habits. He says, and I quote, "Behavior change is not about willpower. It's about finding a reliable anchor in your existing daily routine." Here's why this works for ADHD and anxiety. Your brain already runs on autopilot for certain actions. Brushing your teeth, making coffee, going to the bathroom. When you attach a new habit to an existing habit, you stop relying on motivation. You start relying on muscle memory. Think of it like this. You don't forget to put on shoes before leaving the house, right? That's a stack. Shoes plus door. You just need to build tiny stacks like that. And here's the beautiful part. For someone with anxiety, habit stacking reduces decision fatigue. Fewer choices equals less stress. For someone with ADHD, it creates external structure without boring checklists. Let me give you real examples you can steal today. Example 1, morning routine. Old habit, pouring your morning coffee or tea. Stack this. After you pour your drink, take 3 deep breaths before the first sip. That's it. That's a mindfulness habit. Number 20-minute meditation required. Example 2, anxiety management. Old habit, using the bathroom after waking up. Stack this while washing your hands. Look in the mirror and say one kind thing to yourself. Like, "I'm doing my best." Sounds small, but Dr. Kristin Neff, a leading researcher on self-compassion, found that tiny moments of kindness rewire anxious brains over time. Example 3, ADHD focus. Old habit, sitting down at your work desk. Stack this before opening your laptop. Write down just one task for the next 10 minutes. Not 10 tasks. 1. This is called reducing cognitive load, and it's a game changer for scattered attention. Here's your simple 3-step formula. Write this down. Step 1. Identify an anchor habit. Something you do every single day without thinking. Brushing teeth, eating lunch, locking the front door. Step 2. Choose a new habit that takes less than 60 seconds. Yes, 60 seconds. Not 20 minutes at the gym. 1 push-up, 1 page of reading, 1 deep breath. Step 3. Verbally say the formula out loud. After I anchor habit, I will new tiny habit. For example, after I brush my teeth, I will floss 1 tooth. Or, after I close my laptop for work, I will stand up and stretch for 5 seconds. And here's what philosopher William James once said over a century ago. All our life, so far as it has definite form, is but a mass of habits. He was right. You don't need a new personality. You just need better anchors. Look, if you have ADHD, anxiety, or you're just a tired human being, don't try to change everything at once. That's a trap. Pick 1 stack tomorrow morning. Just 1. Do it for 3 days. And watch how your brain starts to relax. Because the goal isn't perfection. The goal is to stop fighting yourself. If this video helped you, hit that like button. It helps more people find science-backed mental health content. And comment below, what's one anchor habit you already have? Subscribe for more psychology-based routines that actually work for real humans. I'll see you in the next stack.